Hi, welcome in. Today we are going to do the third method of how to start a granny square. Today's method is going to be with a magic ring. You will need yarn of your choice, a darning needle, a pair of scissors, and I am using a 3.5 millimeter hook because it matches my yarn. So let's get started. So, to start with the magic ring, we need to learn how to do the magic ring. So, you take the yarn, hold it on your fingers with your thumb, wrap it around your two fingers, make an X, go around the front, and hold it with your pinky finger. Take your hook, go under the first loop, over the second loop, pull through, twist, yarn over, pull through that strand, and that is your locking chain for your magic ring. Let's do that one more time. Your yarn, hold it with your thumb, wrap it around your two fingers, make an X, wrap it around the first, and take and hold it with your pinky finger. Your hook under the first loop, over the second loop, pull, twist, go under the working yarn, pull through the loop, and therein lies it locks your magic ring in. So we're going to start it with a double crochet. So we need to chain 2 more chains to get it to the height of a double crochet. Now what we are going to do is we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the circle, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to do that again. Yarn over, insert our hook into the circle, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we are going to chain 2. Chain 2 is my personal preference. Some people chain 1, some people chain 2, some people chain 3. You do whatever is comfortable for you and the yarn that you are working with. So I am going to chain 2, and then I am going to put 3 more double crochets into this center ring. So yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to do that 2 more times. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to chain 2, just like that. And we're going to put 2 more double crochet, two more 3 double crochet, the clusters, into this magic ring. So you're going to 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, chain 2, and I will meet you back at the beginning and I will show you what to do. So you can pause the video here and then I'll meet back with you. Okay, now we're back. I did forget to mention, if it does get a little bit too loose for you, you can pull that string and tighten up your ring just a bit. So right here, we're going to slip stitch into the first chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. So as slip stitches, we're going to insert our hook into that stitch all the way through. We're going to yarn over, pull through, and there we have completed that. Now I'm going to pull my circle a little bit tighter. That is the luxury of a magic ring. You can pull this as tight as you want it. So I am going to slip stitch across till I get to this chain 2 space. It's my personal preference how to start my second rows. So I'm going to insert the hook at the top, yarn over, pull through. Insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, pull through. Now I'm into the chain 2 space and I'm going to slip stitch into that so that now I can start my second row of my granny square. So we're going to chain 3 to start our cluster. And then we're going to do 2 more double crochets into that ring. So 1 and 2. Thought my yarn split, so gonna go back and do that again because don't want the yarn to split. Sometimes yarn will split. So, we're going to chain 2, and then we're going to do 3 more double crochets into this same chain 2 space. This is going to be our new corner for round 2. So, 1, 2, and 3. Now, we're going to move to the next chain 2 space right here. We are going to put 3 double crochets. So we start right into it. 3 double crochets right into that space. And hopefully we have gotten the double crochet down a bit. We're going to chain 2, and we're going to put 3 double crochets back into that same chain 2 space. So 1, 2, and 3. So we are going to continue around. In this next space, we're going to put 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, move to the next chain 2 space, 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochets. I will meet you back up. So you can pause the video here and we will meet back up. Okay, we are putting our last double crochet in. So we're going to attach with a slip stitch to the top of our chain 3. So we go 1, 2, 3. We insert our hook. We yarn over, pull through, pull through. And again, I am going to slip stitch over to my chain 2 space. Just like that. We are going to secure our chain right there. So this row will be the repeat that we do in every other row now, since if you take your granny square further than this, because you will now have spaces in between your corners, and you will have to work 3 double crochets into those spaces. So we will do the first 2 corners and 2 spaces, and then we will do that. So we're going to chain 3, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets. We're going to again chain 2, and then we are going to 3 double crochets into this space, the same space that we just put the first double crochets in. So now if you look, you can see that you have a space in between your corners. We're going to just do 3 double crochets into that space. Just like that. 3 double crochets. So we're going to move to the next corner, and we're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. So there we go. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and 3 double crochets into that same space. Now again, you will see the space that we have in between the 2 corners. So we're going to put 3 double crochets into that space. So 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to go 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, 3 double crochets into this space in between, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, 3 double crochets into this space right here. So you can pause the video and we will meet back up. Okay, now we have done the 3rd double crochet into that space in between. So now we are at the end of our granny square row of the round 3. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. This is where I am stopping. So we're yarning over, slip stitch, slip stitch. I'm going to chain 1, and this is where I'm going to fasten off. Now, if you wish to go any further, you would just continue on and just make sure in the each spaces in between the corners, you put your 3 double crochets. Other than that, I am going to weave my ends off. And if you have any questions or comments, please list them below and I will answer them. So we are going to weave this in underneath the stitches to lock it in place so that it doesn't unravel. So, and then I go over and under these stitches back the second way so that that locks the chain. Sometimes you can do it a third time also. Um, the more you do it, the more that it is locked in place and less likely for it to unravel. I'm going to pull that a little tighter, move my hook, thread my yarn needle, and I am going to go over this strand and back under in the same direction that I came so that it locks it. And then I'm going to go over one of the strands and then under again to lock this in place. Sometimes it's a little hard to weave it in, but once you get it there, it will work out. So I cut it as close to the end as possible. And there we have our granny square. So thank you for watching. And I hope that you enjoyed this video and the third method to do a granny square. And I will see you next time.